Hello guys, this is Zahir. Today I am here to share my experience and the procedure of data science internship for Exposys Data Labs. The project given to us is customer segmentation. Customer segmentation is an application of unsupervised learning. Here we have a process of dividing clusters and form different potential user bases. Here the procedure is identifying the potential customer base for selling the product, and after that we have to implement the clustering algorithm to group the customer bases. The clustering algorithm we are using here is k-means clustering. After that we will go for selling products to the identified customer group based on the dataset given to us. The dataset given to us is the mall customer database, which consists of customer ID, gender, age, annual income, spending score. This is the data given to us. Now going to the implementation of the project. This is the code for the project. Running, first we import pandas, matplot and seaborn, and read the file with using data frames. After reading file, we will get all the info. This is the info for the info which have customer ID, gender, age, annual income and spending score. After that, the columns in this are same. Now we will take 5 columns in the data, first 5 columns, and we will do our project on this, and we will divide the clustering using this. First going for the project, we take these columns, and first we use seaborn library and calculate the frequency of ages by plotting the violin graph, and we get this age frequencies in this format when we run the code. After this we will, for better understanding, we made a box plot. It clearly says that the range of spending score is more than the range of annual income. See, we can get the spending score here and annual income. This spending score is more than annual income. After this, to examine the distribution of female and male population, we made a bar graph. This is the code for the bar graph. It clearly says that the female population exceeds the male population. We can see the graph here. Female population exceeds the male population. And then we go check the distribution of number of customers in each group. We made a box plot here also. It clearly says, wait, it clearly says that the age between 26 and 35 outweighs the other age groups. Next, we go for bar graph, which visualizes the number of customers and their spending scores. Here we can get the spending scores of all the customers. The majority of customers having spending score is in the range of 41 to 60. Here you can see the graph clearly. After this, we will made a bar graph for visualizing the number of customers to their annual income. The majority of customers having annual income ranges between 60,000 and 90,000. This is the bar graph for that. After this, to calculate the optimal number of clusters, we will plot a within cluster sum of squares against the number of cluster values, and we will get a plot like this with the k value decreasing. After this, we will the optimal k value is found to be 5 using the elbow method, and this is the elbow method we have used here. After this, the main output of our project is this. This is the 3D plot to visualize the spending score of the customers with their annual income. The data points are separated into 5 classes, which represents in different colors in the 3D plot. We can see blue, green, red, yellow, and violet. This represents different classes of data points. The conclusion is, for retaining errors in the progress customer must be analyzed. The pattern of the customers must be understood for attaining the best plan of action. Customer segmentation, which is process of dividing into group based on similarities, is done here. We can see this graph clearly. The customer segmentation is achieved by unsupervised learning, such as inferences are drawn without label responses. The k-means clustering that we have used here is used for partitioning and observations into k clusters, in which each observation belongs to the cluster with the nearest mean. For optimization of the result, elbow method, which uses the best k value, is implemented. The process helps to find the target client and improve the outcomes. Here we can see the outcome clearly in a 3D plot graph for spending score and annual income as asked in the project. This is the overview of our project for data science in Exposys Data Labs. Thank you for seeing this video.